How is it that your hormone plan doesn't come with a plan to help improve liver health? The liver is responsible for activating, processing, and clearing hormones. How is it your hormone plan is not addressing the liver as part of it? So think of it this way. Hormones are supposed to come in, they're supposed to do their job, and they're supposed to leave. If those hormones don't leave, you're going to have basically a jam up in the liver, and you're going to have a hormone imbalance. That's what a hormone imbalance is. And some people are like, well, I'm on HRT, which is great. Hormone replacement therapy. You've got hormones coming in, but that doesn't mean they're getting cleared out. And if they're not getting cleared out, you still have a problem. Let's use an analogy. Let's imagine that your liver is a restaurant. The best restaurant plan on the planet Earth, guests come in, they seat, they order, they eat quickly, and they leave. More guests come in, they get to that same table, they order, they eat, they leave. That's literally what you want your liver doing with the hormones. Hormones come in, they do their job, and they leave. If your liver's not working that way, you're going to have guests, hormones outside that are just waiting, and you're going to have a jam up or a hormone imbalance. What you need is a very good management team that is familiar with running restaurants, right? So here are the two answers to liver problems. And I'm going to start off with the one that every doctor on the planet is going to agree with. Your liver needs diet, healthy diet, sleep, exercise, a reduction of alcohol, and a limit of unnecessary medication. So I think every medical professional on the planet Earth is going to agree with that one. Number two, then you look at, well, what can provide that management team that you need to support the liver? Here are your options. You can do a 7 to 14 day liver cleanse flush that's a gimmick, meaning when you flip the hood and you look at the science behind it, it doesn't work. So people will say, but I did it and it worked. And here's my answer. Placebo effect is real. People, if you believe it's going to do something or did something, great. That doesn't mean it did anything, however. I'm just saying that you don't fix the liver in 14 days. There's just no logic behind it. If you go look at lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, celery juice, look at it, go research it and say, if I drink lemon juice every single day over 120 days, is this going to flush my toxins, improve my liver enzymes, address cholesterol, triglyceride issues? The answer is no, it's not going to. But if you love it, whatever. So then the second option is you can do a generic product. Okay, you can go on Amazon and buy a $20 to $30 generic liver product. They have like 50,000 reviews, 4.5 stars. They have generic ingredients at questionable doses and questionable absorption rates, but people love them. So here's my answer to that. If you like that product and you thought that product was amazing, I got something that's going to blow your damn mind. Liver complex. Why would I say that if the other products were really good for you, this will blow your mind? Well, because it has 4 clinically studied and branded liver ingredients that you can verify. It's fully transparent on the label. You don't have to leave a mean comment and say, it's from China. You can literally look and see that 3 of the 4 ingredients come from Italy. You can see that the 4th comes from the US. You can see that we use Silliphos milk thistle, which is a very high absorption form of milk thistle, as opposed to standard milk thistle, which has very low absorption rates, which you don't need to trust me on. You can go Google that, okay? So if the other products you were taking were amazing to you, this will blow your damn mind because it is a full restaurant management team, so to speak. Comment liver below. Just comment liver below. We will send you all the information in regards to how the liver and hormones interact, how the liver affects hormones. We'll explain what liver complex is. We are not going to spam your email account. We are not remarketing to you. We are not doing any of those things. We're just providing information. That's all we're doing. Last but not least, a lot of people are going to ask this, and I fall into this camp. Can I do more sooner? Some people, like me, are trying to lose weight, want to help improve cholesterol, triglycerides, stuff like that, right? Well, you can take 3 in the morning and 3 at night. People ask this a lot. And you do that for 4 to 6 months, and it does work extremely well. And you still are staying within the clinical doses that are suggested within the range. 3 capsules, however, per day. You will absolutely notice it checkup to checkup. We do this a lot. This is what we do. You don't have to believe me. You'll just see it, okay? But for those of you that are like me, they're like, screw it, I'm going all in. Yeah, 3 in the morning, 3 at night. You do not need more than that. And you shouldn't need to go more than 4 to 6 months. You can do it 2 months, 3 months, whatever. But those are the answers. I hope that this helps. You're welcome. Bye.